In this video, we'll show you how you can use MobyMax's Writing Assignments module to easily implement daily writing activities with your students. Writing is one of the most important skills students learn in school. It influences progress across all subjects and even outside of students' academic careers. Research shows that one of the best ways for students to improve their writing is to write often and receive targeted feedback from teachers and peers. MobyMax's Writing Assignments module makes it incredibly easy to incorporate daily writing into student schedules by simplifying the process of assigning, completing, and reviewing writing tasks. Let's take a look at how Moby does this. First, we'll look at a teacher account to see how we can easily create a writing assignment within Moby. To access the Writing Assignments module, click on the Differentiated Learning tab from your Moby Central home screen. Then click on the Writing Assignments module. To create a new assignment, click Create New Assignment in the bottom right. Here, you'll be able to enter a title for the assignment, choose a due date, add instructions for students, and choose the students you'd like to assign this task to. Next, you can choose whether you'd like to manually assign a grade or grade the assignment via rubric. Even if you choose to grade via rubric, you can always manually adjust the grade as needed. If you'd like to use a rubric, you can select from pre-created standards-aligned rubrics, check out rubrics used by other teachers in your school, district, or state, or even create your own custom rubric by clicking Create New Rubric. Once you've chosen how you'd like to grade your assignment, just click Save and you're done. Next, let's take a look at a student account to see how students complete their writing assignments. To access their assignments, students just need to click on the Writing Assignments module in their student account. Here, they'll be able to see all of the writing tasks that their teachers have assigned. When they click on an assignment, they'll be able to review the instructions, save their progress if they need to return to their work later, and submit their work once they're done. The formatting toolbar at the top allows students to easily format their writing, adding links and images if needed. As students complete their assignments, teachers can easily review their work, leave feedback, and assign grades all within Moby. In the Snapshot tab, you'll see a quick overview of student assignments. To review student work, simply click on a link in the Not Graded column. Here, you'll see all of the assignments from that student that are completed but not yet graded. To grade an assignment or review it, click on the assignment name. Here, you can easily mark up student writing and use convenient drag-and-drop markup tools. You can even create your own markup tools if you'd like. If needed, you can send the assignment back to the student for revisions, and when you're ready, you can assign a grade. There's also space to leave comments for the students when assigning a grade. As you review their work, students will be able to see their graded assignments in their student accounts. They can click on an assignment to review your feedback and see their grade along with your comments. Hopefully this video has demonstrated how MobyMax's Writing Assignments module can be used to quickly assign and provide feedback on student writing all within Moby. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help.